Period. Pooh.
Okay guys, so this video is going to be about I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do a up curly bun with weave. So yeah, enough talking, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I will be using hair from my hair company, of course. um this is actually this is deep wave. This is a 12 inch, I'm not sure, don't quote me, but it's a short inch though. So I'm only using, look, I had cut it, it was a whole bundle. Of course I'm not about to use no whole bundle on my head, so I cut them. The rest of it is in there, but I'm just gonna use these two pieces because I don't need much, and then if I need more I could just go get more. So what I'm gonna do is, as you see, I wet the hair because it's deep wave, so you know, once you wet it, it gives that more define of the curls. And I'm gonna moisturize the hair with some coconut milk. This is what I'm using. Drop stuff. So I'm gonna do piece by piece. And also, when I'm doing this, you might see me looking in this mirror, like looking over here. That's because I have another mirror. Let me show you. I have this, another little mirror over here. So, you know, I could be able to see. I can't really see, like, looking at y'all because the camera is not flipped, so it can't be flipped. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put some on my hand. You see it sliding, I'm gonna rub it in. And I'm gonna take it and put it on the hair like that. That way you know it don't look dry. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it against each other like that. Look how curly you look now. Well, I already was curly, but the curls look a little bit more juicy. So I'm gonna do that with the other piece too. Okay. A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, y'all, so while I'm doing this, I'm doing another video, y'all. I'm pranking my boyfriend, which I'm not sure if that video will be up before this video, but whichever video get posted first, watch both. But so y'all might see him come in here or whatever, but I'm gonna, it's 2 videos though, so y'all get what I'm saying when I post the video. But like, y'all will see me texting too. So y'all kind of like see me texting too or whatever. So yeah. Okay, so with my hair, as you can see this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flat iron some of my hair, but I'm not going to flat iron all my hair. I'm just going to really flat iron like the front part, like basically this hole in the back. So all the way around, just like the edges kind of in a way, but a little bit more than the edges. So y'all, I'm trying to make sure I'm in the video as well. So I'm going to kind of like put this right here so I can be looking down instead of like all the way out the video. Alright y'all, so this is how I do it. Everybody do it different, so because if I wear my hair and I blow dry it, y'all, my hair not gonna get in no nice ponytail without flaring a little bit of it. Now I'm just trying to tell y'all, and I'm gonna need a little bit more than that. Flat iron. Okay. We're gonna do this all the way around. I think I should have did a little bit more than that. Y'all know I can't see the back of my head. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Yeah, that's my favorite word, so y'all can know. We're gonna make it do what it do, boo. Hey, that rhyme. We're gonna make it do what it do, boo. What up? My future rap career. Yeah, this my mama. I gotta put my mama up on the prank. So just get my boyfriend trying to call me. No. Hello? Hello? Yeah. No, I was just trying to tell you that I'm about to prank Queenie. I'm about to do a cheating prank on him, so if he call you, you know you can be in on it. So my best friend, she gonna act like she a dude, and I'm texting her, but she acting like she a boy, and we just talking. Right now he in the shower, so okay, I gotta go. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, I had to go ahead and mute this part of the video, mostly because my boyfriend had just got out the shower and he was playing music. You know how YouTube work, baby. You will get copyrighted real quick. So my mama had called again because, you know, I'm playing this cheating prank on my boyfriend. So I had to let her know, like, mama, no, I call you back. Y'all, my heart was jumping, like, it was like, do. Like, my heart was jumping. I'm like, she trying to get me caught up. Like, Ma, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna text you. What's up? But okay, so I'm just going ahead and finish parting around my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead, like I told y'all before, I'm gonna go ahead and flatter and all that. You don't have to flatter on your hair. I don't flatter on my hair a lot. I do this every blue moon, really. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and flatter it just a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much heat on my hair because, you know, I'm trying not to do that. So I'm not gonna put too much heat on my hair. And like my hair do not come out, my ponytail is not gonna come out right if I just don't flatter it a little bit. If I like for it not to come out wavy and puffy, it has to be flattering just a little bit. That's it. Just a little bit, a little bit. Before my mom had interrupted, you know, my little video. I was telling y'all about my rap career. Yeah, so I'm about to be a rapper. So y'all need to go ahead and support me. Your girl about to be a rapper. I'm just playing. I cannot see myself being a rapper. Ain't nothing wrong with being a rapper. But nah, no, everybody ain't meant to do everything. And I'm just not meant to be a rapper. But okay, so back to the video. So y'all, like my hair, like my ends are, when I tell y'all my ends are horrible, terrible, like horrible, bad. They bad, y'all. Like my ends is not no joke. And they need to be cut. Like y'all, my ends so bad too. When I just touch the end of my hair, like y'all to see, I put my hand up to show y'all. It's like it's a little piece, but like a little bit more that be coming up. Now I really believe it's my ends because I need them cut, and I think my hair not going as fast as it could be, as it should be doing, is because my ends not cut. But I'm definitely gonna get my ends cut. But I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and the volume will be back soon. Turn me on to the roof. Alright. That's cool. So if you gonna do that all the way over, this is what I do. I'm just showing y'all how to do it. But if you don't want to flatter on your hair, there's other ways that you could do it as well. But this is just me.
As you can see now, I'm done fluttering it. I'm combing and brushing. You're going to see me going back and forth to combing and brushing because that helps me to get the perfect ponytail that I want. And my hair in the middle is thicker than the hair that I flutter on. So baby, it's gonna take a process for me to get this nice perfect ponytail that I want. I use two different kind of scrunchies. I use the thick scrunchie that I'm showing you guys. That I showed you guys. I'm using that for my ponytail when I do ponytails because I need for it to ho. I need every inch. I don't have much, but I need every inch of my hair in this ponytail. Yes, and also I had this passed so a while ago, but I used the 48-hour tamer. If you need the information, I will leave it in the description box. I use two different kinds of things. I'm gonna say this again. I use two different kinds of product. I should say, not things, product. One is to slick my hair. One is to slick my edges. Now the 48-hour is to slick my hair. The 24-hour is to slick my edges. Now, do not forget to pour out your whatever you're going to use for your baby hair. Now, I like mine to look natural like their baby hairs. That's why they call baby hairs. But if you like yours the big swoops, the oversized baby hairs, hey, that's you. Do your thing. But I like mine natural baby hairs. Most important part of the video, ladies. Take 2-3 strings of the curly hair, wrap it around your hair, and then take the weft of the weave and wrap it around your hair. I do this because I find out that it's better and you can be able to puff it out as much as you want to. Now once you're done, you're going to take a rubber band, then you're going to spread your hair like you're taking two separate pieces, spread it until you get to the rubber band, and play with it until you get the perfect puff that you want to have. Do not forget to take a bobby pin, or if you don't want to take a bobby pin, it's just more secure my bun that way. Take a bobby pin of each piece when you're done and put it in there to secure. My apologies, ladies. I thought y'all could see every step that I'm doing on my hair. I did not find out to the end of the video. I am using 24-hour edge tamer for my edges, and I'm going to go back and slick my hair again. You got to get the pieces that you missed with the 48-hour edge tamer. Right now it's 24-hour edge tamer, 48 hours edge tamer, and I'm going back and forth. I will leave all the details in the description box below. Ladies, you know what this is for. Yes, to hold, for that extra hold. So go ahead and put that scarf on and leave that scarf on. This is it. Do y'all see my hair, like how late and slick it is? No piece left out, and that's how I wanted it, baby. Get that edge tamer.